Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to register your Avant Credit Card account. Follow these easy instructions to access all the benefits and manage your card online. Step 1. Visit the Avant Credit Card website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Avant Credit Card website by typing avant.com in the URL bar. This is where you'll begin your registration process. Step 2. Locate the Login section. On the home page, look for the Login option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Click on Register Your Account. Once you are on the Login page, find and click the Register Your Account link. This will take you to the account registration page. Step 4. Enter your personal information. Fill in your personal details such as your name, email address, and the last 4 digits of your credit card number. This information is required to verify your identity and connect you to your Avant Credit Card account. Step 5. Create a strong password. Choose a strong and secure password for your account. Make sure it includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure security. Confirm the password by typing it again in the provided field. Step 6. Agree to the terms and conditions. Read through Avant's terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, click on the checkbox indicating your acceptance of the terms. Step 7. Submit your registration. After verifying all the entered information, click on the Register button to complete the registration process. Step 8. Verification email. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Avant. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your registration. Step 9. Log into your account. Once your email is verified, go back to the login page, enter your newly created credentials, and click Login to access your Avant Credit Card account. Congratulations! You've successfully registered your Avant Credit Card account. Now, you can manage your card, make payments, and view your transactions anytime, anywhere.